if I started from zero today, this is the exact side hustle I would start. And Printify pop-up store, which is actually a store that you create with zero funding. You can literally create that for free and you can start selling thousands of different products to a vast audience of your liking. But it's not just that. I would also create this 30-day plan that I have ready for you, and you can find the description, with step-by-step instructions every single day, what you need to do with 1 hour of work per day, even as a complete beginner, without having an audience. So I'll show you how to create both of them, create winning designs, and I will give you the whole blueprint for free. How to find the right niche, how to start, how to create your store, how to create your designs, which prompts to use, what you need to do every single day. I will give you everything, because that's where most people fail. They don't have the clarity of their daily schedule, what they need to do every single step of the journey in order to start seeing results. This is not a guarantee of success, but it's the blueprint of the plan that the most successful stores out there have used. And I reversed engineered everything, showing you exactly what you need to do for the next 30 days. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's do this. So the first step is to create your own pop-up store. This is a real online hack. As you see, you don't need coding or plugins or a website or anything like that. You can literally create your own Printify store, your own pop-up store, adding as many products as you want without investment or inventory. Exactly like I did right here. You can review my own Printify store, where I have added different products that I have created all these months. As you see, I have the top sidebar with all the categories. Everything is customizable exactly like any great website builder. I've adjusted that to my colors, to my branding. You can do exactly the same. You can find the pop-up store link in the description, and I can organize the products, the pages, I can add my social media. So exactly like you would do on a WordPress website, a Wix, or anything else, right? You see the link here is completely shareable. I have the categories right here, and all the products are ready to sell. So wherever you click, you see the product page, exactly like any e-commerce store. The payment details are ready, so somebody can add it to the cart and buy it, and I don't have to do anything. Printify will send it directly to them, giving me my cut, which most of the times is 40, 50, or 60%, depending on the category and the price that you have set, right? Now, we're gonna go to Claude to do something that is the magic sauce of the whole idea. I will ask it to create a 30-day plan to share to my audience for absolute beginners. This is the key, that they can use day by day with very concrete and clear steps to follow, 1 hour per day, in order to start a side hustle around print on demand with a pop-up store like this around a high demand niche, right? See exactly what I'm doing. You can find the prompt also in the description, but don't worry, I will give you the exact 30-day plan as well. You can also find it in the description. So I want to take all that into account. Very important, the best case examples of 6 and 7 figure stores with Printify, people that have really made big success with that. And I want to break down the whole process in order to have the 30-day plan that doesn't require investment from me, right? This is what I asked. Let's see what we're gonna get. So Claude will start scanning the entire internet, all the relevant case studies and stories of 2026. You see right here, all the different blogs that it's scanning, different success stories, links from Printify, from different business websites. And after a while, I get this magic recipe. Check it out. On the right, the 30-day print-on-demand playbook, right? Showing me exactly, based on the 6 and 7 figure case studies, what I need to do as a beginner, as a beginner, every single day as of tomorrow, right? Check this out. The recipe we're reverse engineering in order to copy the success story of people that are making $250 per year or even above, right? So this is the same underlying pattern. One specific micro niche, not a brand category. What I've been yelling to you all these months, right? We're not talking about a niche like pets or entrepreneurship. We're talking about a specific sub-niche, like gifts for people who just adopted a senior dog or anything like that, right? This is the niche, this is the sub-niche. We're building a brand, not just a shop, exactly like I did with my own store, right? It's the Simply Hustlers tribe, focusing on people who are really hustlers like you, my aesthetics, my brand colors, everything. One core design, many products, as you see, number 3, right? And Printify gives you this exact opportunity to choose among 1,300 different products and add them in your pop-up store without having any expense or inventory that you need to have. And you can choose from any of these categories, right? Depending on what exactly your niche is all about. Content is the traffic funding engine, not ads. So the people that are winning with Printify and print on demand are not people that are paying ads to drive traffic, right? That's where most people are failing. They believe that they need to create the traffic by paying ads. The margins don't work. You haven't established a brand. People don't really care about what you're selling. And that's where most people fail, right? Test fast, kill fast, double down on winners. Create many designs, remove what is not working, and double down what it does, right? And as you see, zero inventory, zero upfront cost. Printify pop-up store is free forever, no listing fees, no inventory risk. So this gives you the peace of mind that I can really put in the work without having to spend money without reason, right? What you need to do, all free so far, the few niche starting points. Week number 1, what you need to do, day 1, choose your lane, write down 5 things you generally know or care about, etc. Validate the demand. Number 2, day 3, day 4, use Canva. It gives you also the tools that you need to use. How to set up your Printify store. It gives you all the steps you need to follow so you don't have to wonder about any step of the process. Everything is described in the link in the description, and you can create also your own monthly plan based on your own likings, preferences, or whatever else, right? And then from week 2, we're starting to build our content engine, right? The first week is only setting up the environment, as you see. Week 2 is where we're trying to build the content traffic, trying to bring the people in our system so we can see if it works, right? And it gives you the exact steps day by day, how to create content, what kind of accounts to create, what kind of platforms to use. Every single detail is being covered in the plan. Beautiful, right? So now that we have our plan, right, we need to understand the niche. We need to find exactly the niche we're going to target, right? So let's say that I'm a passionate person about cars. Please suggest for me micro niches, exactly like the beginning of the plan told us, right? So tell me different micro niches that I can win in. If not something like that, give me something similar, right? And then Claude will start making the research, and Claude is the best when it comes to research. You see exactly the different sources of the findings that we get, right? And here you see the first results. Cars are actually one of the strongest passion-driven categories for print on demand. So we got the validation we needed, and here are some micro niches within the car niche, the big niche, as we said, that we need to break down in small niches with people that are passionate about something, like overlanding culture. This is a very strong one. Diesel truck culture, GMD tuner culture, classic car restoration, etc., etc. So you're gonna find a ton of different sub niches. I will go with the first one just to give you an understanding of what exactly we can do, and within that, I will choose one of the themes like grease under my nails, Jeep mom, diesel dad, etc., right? And I will use Claude again to come up with different prompts that I can use design-wise, so I can come up with some beautiful designs, which is super important in order to address this audience. So let's see what we're gonna get. So Claude gave me 8 ready-to-paste prompts to use in any image generator like Canva, Magic Media, Midjourney, Ideogram. I will use Lovart or whatever else you want to try, even ChatGPT for free. And I will use the first one and the second example. Everything is super cool. You can keep working on them until you find something that you believe it's a winning concept in your mind. And here is exactly what Lovart created for me. Certified grease monkey, right? You see the application in different products that I can adjust and create within Printify. I've shown you before how to create your own products. And here are so many different examples of applications. Check it out. Also the other design, grease under my nails, pride in my heart, right? Look how cool this looks. And you can go to Printify catalog, find the car accessories where you can have some laser focused products on the car industry. Check some examples right here. So you can use these ones or even create apparel or anything else that you would like to create. As we said before, thousands of different options. Go for as many products as you can. There's no limitation, so I don't see why you should limit yourself. And then start adding them in your pop-up store, exactly like I do right here, adding as many products as possible. Once you have this plan, you go to week number 2 and you start creating content for the sub niche that you have selected. The best way to become a great success story for this sub niche is to actually live it, right? Like this guy right here. Can you see his Instagram account? One of the best overlanding accounts that I've seen. So imagine if this guy launches this product store. He already has the audience to start addressing those people. So if you have the passion about something, you're already doing that. You're an artist, you're a vegan, you're a pet lover, your account is already around this topic. You already have audience that loves this kind of niche. Start doing that more in intentionally, right? Follow the steps of the 30-day plan, especially for the content creation part, and start seeing the results of being a community, creating angles of monetization. This is just one of that. And after the 30 days, even if you don't have the success you were expecting, you're gonna have so much more. The learning, the experience, new ideas, and that's how everybody in the online entrepreneurship world starts. This is an experiment that I want you to take. Start for 30 days, see how it goes. Comment below every single struggle that you faced so we can comment as a community and give you answers, give you ideas, give you a step forward, right? I want to see you win. Those are paths, and you can definitely create your own path, just an idea. So let me know how it goes. Keep hustling until you see the first results. Like the video, it's super important. And until next time, simply hustle.